Hey guys, it's Perry here and we're back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Autool Battery System Tester, brought to you by Run Run Deals. And if you didn't already know, Run Run Deals has a really amazing app, and if you download it, you can get access to a bunch of really awesome offers on products, a lot like the one that we're about to open up right now. So let's check it out. Okay, this is adorable. Comes with a little letter. Okay, so already off the bat seems very, very legitimate. Here is the user manual. Really nice quality. What it looks like before we take it out. Packaged really, really nicely. Then it comes with the clamps, and those attach to your battery on your car. Great clamps. The product itself. And let's try to turn it on. I'm not really sure how you turn it on. Maybe it won't turn on unless you plug it into your vehicle. Okay, so yeah, you have to plug it in and connect it to the car. All right guys, and just to demonstrate how this is used, you're just gonna pop the hood of your vehicle. And so you'll clip the red onto the red clamp. And the black will just go onto the black clamp. And then right at that time, it kicks on. So then this pops up and you're just gonna hit OK. You're gonna hit whatever type of test you wanna do. So today I'm just gonna do a battery test to show you guys. And it's testing. Oh, well, guess I need to replace my battery, but that's how that works, guys. So very easy and simple. Guys, really, really great quality. Really, really lightweight. So that way, you know, easy to just carry and stow away in your car. Love this, guys. Make sure you go get yours from Run Run Deals.